Taking a look at interest rates, the 10-year in focus again today. We're seeing some intraday volatility, not too much price action day over day, but still intraday volatility. We saw a range today. 122.23 is about the closing range, but I can tell you we saw a range between 122.27 on the high end and 122.185 on the low end. So we did see a decent range today, even though that settled out basically just slightly higher on the day. And when you look at some of the driving forces here, intraday volatility, I highlighted that we did see some pretty decent price movements intraday when we saw the yields shifting around from the 2.612 level all the way up to the 2.645 before settling around the 2.63 level. So we're seeing some reaction here. The market's kind of biding its time, accounting for some of the news items hitting the tape, waiting for some data tomorrow to come out as well. But really the focus is on the Brexit right now. And when you see what the activities taking place in the Brexit, the news is breaking hourly. And now we're seeing Parliament pushing for an extension to the current deadline of March 29th. And they were able to vote on that and get that vote. That vote went through this afternoon, so now they're going to present that to the EU, and it'll be interesting to see how the EU plays it out. The reaction was somewhat positive. We did see a fairly positive move in the British pound, and also a reason I think why we saw yields bump up a little bit, because if they buy more time, the risk of a hard Brexit is a little bit being priced out of the market right now. So I think that's some of the dynamics here, shifting rates slightly higher for the day. And I also want to take a look at the yield curve. Yield curve actually moving today with the price movement. We did see the 10-year settle out at 263. That's up about 80 basis points. If you look at the 30-year, now back above 3%, right around the 3.045 level. And that's up 120 basis points today. And then if you go to the 2-year, we saw that settling around the 246 level, and that's up 40 basis points. So you can see that curve shifted higher with the 2-year up 40 basis points, the 10-year up 80 basis points, and the 30-year up 120 basis points. So a slight shift in that curve. Again, playing into some of the concerns here about the yield curve flattening. We did see it actually widen today.